Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to know how to simplify your workflow and declutter your folders. And if you're interested, watch the video right now. So, first of all, we will import the relevant modules. The relevant modules here are the inbuilt OS, Shutil, and glob modules. So first, we need to define the directory to work. Let's assign a variable called their name to it. Now, now, now this is my automation dot dir. Also remember to replace this with original path. Correct. Okay. So we have created this. Now you do not need this. You do not need this, right? So I only made this so that I can get the files. But as written here, in a real decluttering scenario, you would work with an existing directory. And this is included so that there are no errors. Okay. So now we will create some dummy files. Actually, these are also similar. These dummy files are only created to show how glob works with files. So now here's the main piece of code. So the main piece of code is to using glob to find specific file types, such as .pdf for archiving or deleting. Okay, so PDF files equal glob.glob. Glob.glob is the main function. See, here are its parameters. Path name, taro, okay, we don't care about that. os.path.join, their name, comma, star.pdf. Example, you could also add code here to process the files. Alright, so actually, this is the main part of the video. We need to move them to another folder, rename or delete them. If PDF files, see up over here, PDF files is it is assigned as a glob function. Because it is assigned as a glob function, it also has a boolean value, right? I mean, so in this is a concept called operator overloading, which is not for this video, but basically it allows for two functions to have different outputs but same name, right? So leave it. That's not what we're talking in this video. So now we have if PDF files checks if this file exists. Then for PDF file in path bin PDF files. So print found PDF file, but leave it. Add your decluttering logic here. So this means okay. So this is yes. So this decluttering logic can be anything you want to do with your files. I'll uncomment this. Yes. So remember So yes. So remember to add also a- a- add your file path instead of this. Alright. So now, okay, right. So this is done. Now what we're supposed to do that we add the else statement in case there are no such files. Okay. So ignore the background noise. I'll clear. I'll just edit the video to remove it. Okay. So using glob to find another type of file, say txt. This is similar, right? Then you need to delete the directory and its contents. Actually, even this is not relevant here because we do not want to actually delete the files. We just want to to organize the files, right? I just modified this video to actually do something. So see, now we have we have learned how glob, os, and Shutil work. Now we are going to do some real stuff. So see, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and leave a comment so that I can know what you want. So, first of all, this is similar to the original file, but with a key difference. This this too does not need these dummy files. These dummy files, as I said, are just to create files, so or else there will be error, right? So now we use glob to find out specific the files. Okay, so now again define that again we use glob.glob PDF files for that. Now move the found files to the archive folder. So again, if the PDF files exist, then then for uh, then PDF file path is here represents a single file's path for PDF file path in PDF files. Okay, so now try the try except block checks for errors. If there's an error, then it will execute what is there in the except block. There's a file name equal os.path.basename PDF file path. Get just the file name. The base name means, for example, if you have a file called innovis2023.pdf, so it will not give you the data in the PDF. It will only give you what was is the name of the file. So now we have to and just ignore the background noises. Okay. So next, then we made the destination part. Then we joined archive directory and file name, right? So let me tell you, it was written. So